Hi everyone, this is Deepika from CAD NEST. So we are going to see specific disallowances under the Act in this video. For more videos, stay subscribed to CAD NEST YouTube channel. So let us see what are the specific disallowances under the Income Tax Act. So first thing, we have amount not deductible under section 40A. So why are the amount not deductible? Which are the cases in which it is not deductible? We are going to see. In case of any assessee, the following expenses are expressly disallowed under section 40A. So what are those are? Any interest, royalty, fees for technical services or similar sum payable outside India to any person or to a non-resident or foreign company in India on which tax has been deducted at source. So tax has not been deducted at source. Second case is any sum paid on account of income tax. Third case, any sum paid on account of wealth tax under the Wealth Tax Act 1957. And fourth case is any tax of similar nature chargeable under any law in force in any foreign country. Fifth case, salary payable out of India if tax has not paid or deducted at source. Then we have fringe benefit tax. So these are the cases of an assessee where the following expenses are disallowed. Like this, we have another case, payment to relative or a person having substantial interest. This is section 40A 2, A of 2. Any expenditure incurred by an assessee in respect of paying of which has been made to the person who are relative or having substantial interest is liable to be disallowed. The amount of deduction, the expenditure to be excessive or unreasonable having regard to fair market value, that is FMV of goods or services or facility, etc. So what is the substantial interest is? A person is deemed to have substantial interest in the business if such person is the beneficial owner of at least 20% of equity capital at any time during the previous year. So this is what substantial interest. So we have seen only the two cases, payment to relative or a person having substantial interest, and amount in some cases where it is not disallowed. So we have seen this two cases, but we have many cases like this, so that we are going to see in the upcoming videos. For more videos, do subscribe to CAD NEST YouTube channel and press bell icon for notifications. Thank you.